Hello everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back to the channel. Today we are ringing in the new year with a food party feast for our beloved cats. Cats deserve a little celebration too. A tasty, nutritious treat menu shows love, keeps them healthy, and gives us a chance to learn how AI can help us create safe recipes in seconds. Throughout this video I will be using Lumo, our cat AI companion, to quickly look up safe ingredients, calculate portions, and even suggest fun plating ideas. Stay tuned for our demo. This is the prompt we are going to use. Be sure to test your instructions and practice by creating your own personal one. Post on our comments if you like to share your ideas with us. Be sure to click on the option Web Search on right side of Upload Files, otherwise Lumo cannot explore and search Internet. We copy and paste this prompt to Lumo chat box and we wait for Lumo to give some result. Here we are, you can see the result. We have some dietary information. And wait a minute, we check the Amazon link but we have a 404 error. There is nothing on those links. We can correct this. We copy those links, paste on chat box and give some instruction to find a different option because the old one are broken links. Let us see if this time, we are going to find something when we click on those links. Yes, this time you can see it is giving something. We use Amazon but you can specify your local grocery store, or small business grocery store and Lumo will try to satisfy your request. Try and tell us your result. Post your menu on our comment area. We are happy to see your photos. Happy New Year and see you next time.